Hello everyone, my name is Priya Sanjay Jamulkar. Today date is 10th March 2022. Today topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process the smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multi-threading are both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use the multi-thread than multiprocessing because thread used to share memory area. They don't allocate a separate memory area, so save memory and context switching between the thread takes less time than process. Java multithreading is mostly used in games, animation, etc. Advantages of Java multithreading: it does not block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multi-threading operation at same time. Second, you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Threads are independent, so it does not affect other thread if an exception occurs in a single threading. Multitasking. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways. Process-based multiprocessing, and thread-based multitasking is multithreading. First, process-based multitasking. Each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocates a separate memory area. Second, process in a heavyweight. Second is cost of communication between the process is high. Switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading a register memory maps, updating a list, etc. Thread-based multitasking. Threads share the some address space. A thread is a lightweight and cost of communication between a thread in low. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. It separate path of execution. Threads are independent if their offering offers the exception is one thread. It does not affect other threads. Uses a shared memory area. A thread is executed inside the process. There is a context switching between a thread. There can be multiple processes inside the OS, and one process can have multiple threading. Java thread class. Java provides thread class to achieve a thread programming. Thread class provide constructor and method to create and perform operation on a thread. Thread class extend object class and implement runtime interface modification and time of methods. First void is a starts, second void is run, and static void method is sleep, and fourth static thread is method is current thread. Fifth void is method is join, and int method is get priority, and string priority gets names, and long priority get id, and boolean is a method is alive, and static void is method is yield, and void method is suspend, and next is boolean is method is demon, and next is void method is interpreted. Thank you.